This is DevCom Studios. Welcome to second episode of Copy Arena, and I hope you all are doing absolutely great. Today's episode we are going to analyze Boats ad copies. In previous episode we did it for personal care brand. Before we begin, I would tell you all that this by no means is endorsement of Boats products, and we also don't intend to criticize them. So let's start off with the very first ad. First point, well, this ad mentions advantages and benefits, which of course is a good thing. Second point, they are trying to mention stuff like smooth shipping, and well, target audience might be considering shipping to be a problem when they order from someone else. Well, this is what I think. This also mentions battery life of the product, which again is a great thing. Third point, it has a call to action and written in all caps. This draws attention of the readers. Fourth point is this copy is selling experience. Fifth point is this copy has included emojis, and as this brand positions itself as a brand of youngsters, then this surely helps the brand. Well, this was it for this particular ad copy. If you found anything else, then do comment down below. Second ad, first point, benefits are being mentioned, which is a good thing to do. Second point, well, headline triggers sort of a curiosity, and readers would actually want to know what exactly is the real plus of wireless headphones. Third point, is this copy actually establishes brand as an authority, because telling people what actually plus is you are sort of telling them that your brand has that. Fourth point is this copy has made use of hashtag, and this sort of helps because youngsters are inclined towards reading these. Third ad, first point, this creates fear of missing out, and this is great thing to do. Second point is again use of hashtags, and we discussed about this earlier. Third point, second line is bit of philosophical. Well, I found it out to be like that, and this might help in triggering that emotional side of reader. Fourth point is they use emojis before explaining stuff like features, and this makes copies very specific, like people who would want these features would surely look out at this. Fifth point, doesn't sell, like no call to action. Well, I think this might go well with fear of missing out that they created in first line. Well, that was it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed watching this. By the way, my gig for copywriting is up on Fiverr, so do check it out, and share this video and subscribe to the channel for more such amazing videos, and become part of our family.